Penn State University, Humans as Primates, Professor Tim Ryan. A World Tour of Primates, the general locations of primates on planet Earth. Lorises and Galagos. The lorises and galagos are an interesting and diverse group of small strepsirrhine primates that live in both Africa and Asia. Lorises are slow-moving tree dwellers that use climbing and quadrupedal walking to get around. Some lorises live in Asia, and some live in the forests of Africa. Galagos, also known as bush babies, are acrobatic leapers and fast, scurrying animals that all live in Africa. These are fascinating nocturnal primates. Lorises and galagos are an ancient group of primates. Fossil evidence for these animals dates back almost 40 million years. Lorises and galagos are related to another group of primates that may be more familiar to you, the lemurs. Lemurs. While lorises and galagos are spread across Africa and Asia, their close relatives, the lemurs, are restricted to Madagascar. Lemurs are a very diverse group of primates that range from small mouse-sized animals to animals the size of large house cats or medium-sized dogs. Most lemurs are quadrupedal, meaning they walk on all fours, but some, like the Indri, are acrobatic leapers. One of the very interesting aspects of lemurs is that most of them have a social structure in which females are dominant over males, which is a unique structure among mammals. So you can see there is a broad diversity in lemurs even though they only live in Madagascar. Together lemurs, lorises, and galagos make up the strepsirrhine primates. The rest of this tour will cover the haplorrhine primates, the group that includes humans. Tarsiers are a unique and fascinating group of primates that lives in Southeast Asia and Indonesia. These are all small-bodied animals that move around by leaping. They have huge eyes. Each eyeball is larger than their brain, so they can see at night, and they are exclusively carnivorous. Although they don't look like monkeys, apes, or humans, they are more closely related to these primates than to lemurs and lorises. Tarsiers are considered living fossils because they are an ancient lineage of primates that appear to have remained relatively unchanged for the last 50 million years, although they certainly have changed and evolved over that time. So from these strange little primates, we move to the monkeys and apes. New World monkeys. The New World monkeys are known as platyrrhines and can be distinguished from the Old World monkeys and apes by the structure of their noses. They have outward-facing nostrils, rather than the downward-facing nostrils we have. New World monkeys live in South and Central America and are mostly arboreal fruit and leaf-eating animals. Some, but not all, New World monkeys have prehensile tails that they use when they hang from tree branches. No other primates have prehensile tails. The platyrrhines are an interesting and diverse primate group. The New World monkeys are closely related to the Old World monkeys, but they have evolved separately on the two continents over 30 million years. Old World monkeys. Old World monkeys are more closely related to apes and humans than to the New World monkeys. As their name suggests, the Old World monkeys live in the Old World and are spread across Africa and Asia. There are two groups, the leaf-eating colobines and the fruit-eating cercopithecines. The colobines have special adaptations in their guts to digest leaves. The cercopithecines are mostly African primates like baboons and guenons who eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. The Old World monkeys are a very successful group of primates that have thrived over the last 10 million years. The Old World monkeys share habitats in the Old World with the last group of primates we'll consider, the apes. Apes and humans. The apes are not as diverse a group as the monkeys, but they are very interesting to us because they are our closest relatives. There are four groups of apes, the gibbons and orangutans in Asia, and the gorillas and chimpanzees in Africa. Apes used to be very widespread across Africa, Europe, and Asia between about 20 and 5 million years ago. Nearly all of them went extinct, except the lineages that led to the living apes. One of these extinct apes that lived in Africa around 6 million years ago gave rise to the primate in which we are most interested, humans. And humans are everywhere.
That was good. You pull stuff from the phone.